Hey, what's going on YouTube? Garnett here. Channel sponsor Olight is coming at us with 4 exclusive new lights. And one thing that I'm really just confused about. So here are the 4 brand new Olight models. The first one's going to be the Baton Turbo. Now there's plenty of batons in the Olight lineup. This is the newest addition. There's the Perun or Perun 3. There is this weird one. It's the Olight Sphere. And what I would consider probably what's going to be my personal favorite is an upgrade to one of the lights that was tested on Torque Test Channel. It's the Arkfeld ULTRA. We're going to start with the Baton Turbo. Now most of these Olights are going to come with a card like this, which is bright yellow, just so you make sure you read this before operating. Some of the lights come in lockout mode, some of them come with a little tab installed in them. You're going to want to make sure you read this before trying to operate your Olight. We get a bunch of little goodies with this one. So, you of course get the light. You get a charger. With the Baton Turbo, it is possible to use it with a CR123A battery, and it includes the adapter for that. Of course, get a bag. I'm starting to collect a lot of these. And your instructions. Pretty little light. Hand representation there. Battery and brightness indicator. Sturdy clip. Has a max 1000 lumen output. And plunk it on your charger. We're going to check out the Perun 3. You get the light, charger, and accessories. Here's a look at that. Nice little 90-degree light. You don't get the double fold clip like you normally get with most Olights, but you do get this headgear. Pretty good. Max 3000 lumens, and of course, you could plunk it on your charger. Time for the Arkfeld ULTRA. The Arkfeld ULTRA. She's a chunky boy. Some sort of collector's token. Charger. This one does have the classic double fold clip. UV, laser, flashlight. Has a max 1400 lumen output on turbo. And of course, could plunk it on your charger. Now, let's go over this thing. So, what you get is the sphere itself. It is covered by a shield. I'm not even sure if that's supposed to be there, if it's protector and shipping. We're going to rip this off of here for now to give you guys a good look at it. There's our Olight sphere. You get the light itself, a coin with a sticky back, a little pack of what seems to be accessory eyeballs, and of course your charger, because this thing kaplunks down on the charger just like the best of them. Here's how it works. You hold, gets dim, hold, gets brighter. Double press, turns it off. Single press, turns it on. Press changes the setting. Press changes the setting. Hold, makes it dim. Hold again, makes it brighter. Yeah, this thing's pretty weird. Now, that is the extent of the exclusive Olight drop this week. You got the Perun 3, the Arkfeld ULTRA, the Baton Turbo, and also the Sphere. I mean, they were calling this a gift. I don't know if this one's an exclusive drop. I don't even know if this one's new. It might not be new, but it's weird. And it came with everything. So I'm showing you guys anyways. Now, you might notice that there's still runtime left in the video. And that's because I picked out 3 items from Olight that I personally want, that I think you guys should also take a look at. Now, first up is the Olight Tackle D2. Now, when Olight told me they had tools, my first reaction was, what? But after an extensive look on their website, they do actually make a lot of EDC, things of that nature, and this is one of them. So this, what you get in the package is literally just the tool itself. But on the back, you unlock it and you slide that thing to reveal a bunch of screwdriver bits. Phillips 2 and 00, slotted 3.5, and Phillips 0, T6 and T8, hex 1.5 and hex 2. And they all slot nicely down inside that tool, and you can close it back up and you can lock it. You can put a bit in the front and the side, and now you have a multi-tool. The Baton 3 Max. You get the light itself, the double fold clip, carrying bag, an L-shaped bracket with included stickies, and a charger. 2500 lumen output turbo, proximity sensor, and of course, could plunk it down on your charger. Now, the last thing is something very extra special. It's the Olight Open Glow. This is a multi-function pen. You get a laser pointer, a light on the pen clip with varying levels of brightness, and it's also a pen. You get the pen itself, the pre-installed ink is black. You also get a blue cartridge, the charging base, a 2-pack of dual-sided stickies, and a USB-C cable, because you can't actually kaplunk this one down on this charger. There's nothing on the bottom for that. It is still magnetic, which is why they have included the stickies, or you can magnet this to anything that is ferrous. So you can still use your L bracket from your other Olights, but it is a USB-C charger. Now, this is actually my favorite one because you get a laser pointer, you get a light on the pen clip holder that has varying levels of brightness. You do get a turbo, and like I said, it's a pen. But if your pen is down, you can click it, click the pen button, and get a glowing light. Now, you can't really make that out. I might wait till it's dark for you to see that, but there is literally a light emitting from the base of the pen right here. So you can write in the dark. I've said in other videos I don't really like carrying things in my pocket, and this makes it so I only have to carry this. This is by far my most appreciated Olight. But hey, that's it. That's all I have for you. If you like this video, make sure you drop a like, get subscribed, and consider checking out the all-new Olights. Check them out in the description down below, or there's probably a link that'll pop up on the screen. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.